Hello and welcome again to my channel. For this episode, we're actually going to prepare a set of food based on the ingredients that we actually have here. So I'll get started first with something. So this is actually salmon that my dad bought from the market. We're going to cook it later and serve it with some sauce. And then we also have leftover rice. I'm going to turn this into something, but not fried rice. That will make it more interesting. And then we have vegetables. So tada! Join me as I actually go on another kitchen adventure. So I group first some of the ingredients so that it's easier for us to know, let's say, which ones to use as we cook or prepare the dishes rather. So we're going now to start first with what we'll use for the fish. For our rice dish, we're going to add some vegetables here. So yeah, you see some leftovers like chayote, there's also lettuce, and then there's spinach. And then we'll also add some mango sprouts. So we'll be actually turning this into a pancake. I almost forgot to show something, which is egg. So we'll use that also. So we're also going to use again black fungus mushrooms. So I'm going to soak this, and then we will include this later in the pancake. So for the pancake, we will also use some of these ingredients, and also for the sauce later for the fish. So we have here curry mix powder, which I got from the market. This is very cheap. And then we also have oregano, cumin seeds, lemon, herb, garlic, and then again spinach. And then don't forget to have tomatoes and onions. I might also include here some of the ingredients that I can find in our garden. So that would be moringa or malunggay. And then I will also put Ternatea flowers or blue Ternatea flowers so that we can also put color in the pancake later. So we'll create first the green sauce, or rather the green batter that I'll be actually using for the pancake. So let's get this first. Actually, I need something. So the dish that we're actually creating for this session will be kind of Indian inspired because I made friends with some Indians in the vlogging community, and then they taught me some recipes. And based on the forecast, some of the food that will become food trends for this year include mushrooms, plant-based diet, the use of turmeric, and then Indian cuisine. Okay, we're going to grate this. So here's what we grated, and then we will also grate beets. So grated onions also finished. So let's cut now the vegetables. So a lot of vegetables here. Yeah, good ones you can still use. Let's just make them smaller. So the one that we actually grated, we're going to cook that. Okay, we'll make it into a batter. And then for these ones, we're going to put them in the pancake. Yeah, there are other recipes that you can actually do with leftover rice aside from fried rice. So I saw some on the internet where they turn it into rice cakes. So they just try to flavor it. But for this one, I decided to come up with pancakes. Pancakes are also going to be a trend for this year. Okay, so we'll set this aside and then let's continue with creating the batter. Okay? So the recipe that I actually saw added a lot of oregano. on this one, but we will also use fresh oregano. It's lalagyan. Oops. Okay, I think I got stuck. There you go. We will add some later. And to make it authentic Indian, so we need to put cumin. Okay, and a bit of sea salt. I was looking for my Indian salt, but I can't find it. So yeah, I'm gonna use it instead. Indian salt actually has a different flavor. Or Indian salt, if you're going to see that in Indian markets, it's kind of like purplish. Himalayan is pinkish. Okay, that's too much. Hopefully not too much. So let's cook this first into a puree before we actually combine this with the rice and with the egg, and then let's turn it into a pancake. Okay. Instead of using water, I'm actually going to add this soya milk. So I tasted this earlier and I actually added a bit more of the lemon garlic because I can actually find that hint of citrus in the taste of this. So as you can see, it's actually going to be a bit, not really pasty, but also not very runny. So we're going to mix this later with the rice and then with some other vegetables. Okay, so this is already cooked, kind of like, sticky. So I cut some vegetables and then I also added some tomatoes here. So we're going to put this here, or actually I think, we can put some. And then we will add some on top later. That smells really nutty. Yeah, not bitter but nutty, which is good. This is already a meal in itself. So so this is the rice. I tried to separate the grains. And then we'll add egg later. I'm also going to prepare now the fish dish. So I'm going to use some of the remaining ingredients that we actually have here. So I already added the bean sprouts here in the mix. And then here, what we have here is a curry mix. You can actually buy this from your local grocery in your place. And then this one, I think it only cost me like 10 pesos or 20 pesos. So this has turmeric, this has spices. I'm not sure if it actually has like powdered coconut. But dear, that smells so good. Oh dear, that smells really good. I want to show it to you guys. It may not look yet as appetizing as it is, but okay, so this is actually what it looks like, and then we'll just leave it there for a bit, and then we're going to fry it in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see now, we're now actually cooking this whole big pancake, which is made of rice and then some vegetables, and then we will add the malunggay as well as the flowers, and we will also cut some mushroom on top of this. So I'm gonna ask my dad actually to turn over or flip over this omelette. Okay. Put it back. Lagay mo na siya natin ulit doon. Nope. O, diba? Ang galing ng dad ko. So now it actually kind of looks like another vegetarian patty, but it isn't. Let's bake it a little bit. So that heat there should actually cook what's inside.